In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your HP Smart Tank 5106 printer. And once the paper is jammed inside, you will see the error E3 on the display panel. To fix the error, first remove all the paper from the paper tray. Go to the back side of the printer, put this tray down and just check if you can take the paper out from here. So if you see the paper here, you can slide it out. If you don't see it here, then you can go to the front of the printer, open the front chamber, look inside, and you should be able to see the paper stuck inside. So for example, we can see the paper is here, and from here you can also take the paper out if you get access from this side. But right now we are able to take it away from the back side. Do it slowly. Go to the printer control panel and click on the cancel button once. So this should fix the error on the printer display panel, and now we can load the paper and we can resume the normal printing. The paper tray is here. Thanks for watching.